Hi, today I'm reviewing Lenovo Tab M10 Plus and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display feature on this device. So now let's just first unlock our tablet, and so let's just open once again Muviz application. Here let's select one from these available tabs, for example this one. Just click to apply the stem. It's applied successfully now. So here we can change the backgrounds of the stem. Let's just tap to apply these backgrounds. We can change here the music controls, the shown time. We can hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. Also, if you wanna show the notifications or the date, we should just use the switcher. Just click on the switcher to show it, and to turn it off we should also use the switcher, and to use the battery status always while they were charging or just to don't show it. So let's click to this X icon and switch it to the settings. Here let's tap to always on display, and by the same way we can here change shown on screen lock time, the AD option always while they were charging when we'll play the music. If you wanna, you can use these two options separately, so I'll just switch it to always once again. We can change the screen timeout from 1 minute just to never. If you want to decrease or increase the brightness level, you can also do this by the same way. Just hold and slide to the left or to the right side this white dot, and we can close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen. On screen off mode, just we should use the switcher, and we can set the shadow, the start and the end time of the always on display feature, and we can disable it during the calls. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.